Hello everyone, welcome to Global Used Car Trading. Today I'm gonna talk about very interesting topic. Why are Korean cars are so popular in the world? Let's find out. Korean people usually change their cars every 5 to 7 years, but these days many people change their cars even faster, around every 2 to 3 years. This is because the new models and the facelifted versions comes out very often. So many used cars in Korea are still in very new and good condition. Second, the roads of Korea is well maintained. Almost all roads are well paved and well maintained. Because of this, Korean cars don't get damaged easily. The tires, suspensions, and underbodies are stays in very good shape. Third, in Korea, it is a law to get a car inspection every 2 years. During the inspection, even small problems found in engine, transmission, and other parts must be fixed to get past the inspection. If a car does not pass the inspection, the owner must fix it and go through the inspection again to get it passed. Until the car inspection is passed, it is illegal to drive the car. This helps all the cars in the road to keep in safe and good condition. Lastly, Korean drivers usually take good care of their car. Most of the Koreans change the engine oil and brake pad, tires, and transmission oil, and all other consumables in the regular time. Because of this, not only Korean cars, but also the imported cars from Japan, Germany, UK, Sweden also have a very good condition. So because of all these reasons, Korean cars are being loved and getting more popular all over the world these days. If you are looking for a high quality used car, you should definitely consider buying them from Korea. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video post with more useful and interesting topic. Bye bye.